Hello everyone. Today we will see exercises of chapter 18. Let's see the first one. Put a tick by the ending that gives the best meaning. So you have to tick the best one. And how will you do it? First go through the chapter. Read the chapter 2 to 3 times. Then you will be able to do this nicely and easily. So please, before doing this, go through the chapter. Now let's see question number 2. Make sentences beginning with tell me. So your answer must begin with these words tell me. We'll see first example. Which book are you using? So the answer will be tell me which book you are using. Tell me which book you are using. If you can see, the answer is hidden in the question only. Which school do you go to? So the answer is tell me which school you go to. Which school you go to. Here we have not included do in our answer, so you have to be careful here. Let's see question number D. Which street are you living in? Then the answer will be tell me which street you are living in. Tell me which street you are living in. So let's see one more question. Question number G. Which drawing did you do? So the answer will be tell me which drawing you did. Again I am repeating the answer of question number G. Tell me which drawing you did. So like this you all have to practice. Question number 2. I hope you all will be able to do. Now let's see question number 3. You all can see a lovely kite, a beautiful dress. Change the sentences beginning with the words in brackets. We have to change the sentence with the words given in the bracket. Or rather I say we have to start our answer from these words only. Let's see first example. Which pen is she using? In bracket you all can see ask her is given. So we will start our answer from ask her only. Ask her which pen she is using. Ask her which pen she is using. Let's see another example. Which book did he buy? In bracket you can see words do you know. Do you know which book he bought? Do you know which book he bought? If you have to make question sentences, then you don't forget to put question mark at the end of your answer, the way it is given here. So let's see some examples as well. Let's see question number C. Which film did they see? In bracket you can see ask them is given, so we will start our answer from ask them only. Any guess? I think you all can guess the answer. Yes, I know some of you have guessed correctly. Ask them which film they saw. Again I am repeating. Ask them which film they saw. Like this you have to practice. Let's see one more. Question number E. Which dress did she buy? So the answer will be I don't know which dress she bought. I don't know which dress she bought. Whenever you see did in the question, then the form of the verb will change. Whenever you see did in the question, then form of the verb will change. Let's see one more question. Let's see question number I. Which book does she like the best? So in bracket you can see ask her is given. So we will start our answer from ask her. Ask her which book she likes the best. Again I am repeating my answer. Ask her which book she likes the best. So like this you all have to practice. And I know many of you will be able to do it easily. Let's see question number 4. Change the sentences beginning with the words in brackets. Who is he? In bracket you can see I wonder. So we have to start our answer from I wonder only. I wonder who he is. Who he is. So you can see here the answer is hidden in the question only. You all have to just rearrange it. So let's see another one. Who is the girl in the blue dress? So in bracket you all can see do you know? So the answer will be do you know? Who is the girl in the blue dress? So we have to start our answer from do you know? Do you know who the girl in the blue dress is? Who the girl in the blue dress is? So you all can see you have to just rearrange the words of the question and then it will be your answer. Let's see question number C. Who are the two men? So the answer will be can you tell me who the two men are? The answer will be can you tell me who the two men are? Let's see one more question. Let's see question number E. Who is the shortest girl in the class? So the answer will be does anyone know who the shortest girl in the class is? Again I am repeating the answer. Does anyone know who the shortest girl in the class is? So like this you will have to practice and I know many of you will be able to do it nicely.